happens if, God forbid, someone dies on the way home after coming from the mikveh, after just being converted? Would they go straight to Shemayim because they are pure and considered a newborn Jew?
Yes, that's 100%. That's 100%, and it was a story. So I unfortunately I don't remember all of the details, but it was one very holy non-Jew in the times of the Talmud. I think that what he did here, that he was I hope I don't mixing up the two stories. So he was working as a guard, a prison guard in a women's prison, and he would try to to save all of the Jewish women from raping from other guards. So he's such a holy man, and when people with his boss find out, so they say, we're going to kill you, right? Because what are you doing? I hope I don't mix in stories, but it says that when he was walking to the place of execution, so somebody. One second, sorry. So somebody from the crowd, I think a woman from the crowd, maybe one that he saved. So she said, "It's such a pity. You did so much to protect Jewish people, and now you're going to die, and you're not even going to the good place where Jews go." And he understood. She hinted, so he took the stone from the street, whatever, and he did himself circumcision and became a Jew, and he died as a Jew. It's very interesting. So a person, it's very important with conversion, the intention of the person. So if the intention of the person is pure, and if he or she truly wants to convert, and they were absolutely sincere when they answer all of the questions. Of course, rabbis are also people, even smart people, they can read into things, but even these people can be fooled. Okay, there are many examples of that. So if the person was sincere, so for sure the conversion is good, and the person, she or he, got this Jewish soul, and that's it. So after they get out of the mikveh, that's it. So it's needless to say, going back from the mikveh, absolutely. So and of course I think I don't recommend anything, but this person is absolutely pure. So I think that there is no judgment. He or she did not have any opportunity to do any sin. So it's a new soul, and goes back to Gan Eden, I think. I mean, it's like a baby born, chas v'shalom, lo aleinu lo lachem, and not about us, not about our families. So baby born and died 2 days later, right? So of course there is a holy baby. Same as a convert. So convert, actually the age of the convert starts from the conversion. So conversion is actually new birthday. So not the old birthday, March 7th, but today where person converts. So that's the person's birthday. That's it. Okay.